What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. My name is Sparkman. I'm a game developer and this is my second channel, the one where I don't edit things. Well, sometimes I edit stuff. And today I want to show you the 001 game creator. Okay, I was gonna say game maker, but this might as well be game maker. I actually think it's better. Some people might agree with me, some people might disagree with me. For sure, this game engine does everything that you were promised in Collecting Fusion 2.5, and you end up having to pay for plugins and stuff like that. I'm not saying Fusion is a bad engine, I'm just saying that this engine does a lot. Okay, so for the price of, I don't know, I think it's $70, I believe, which you can now get it on sale on Steam for like 32 or something like that. Let me just run this. Notice that you can run this on a number of devices here. I'm just gonna run this for web. This is the platformer example. Okay, here it is. I've been messing around with this. This is not what the original demo looks like. He's not in underwear. Okay, actually let me just load another demo here so we start from scratch. That's the one I was messing around with yesterday. I call this I don't know, the 009 something, doesn't really matter. Waiting for it to load. Now in Fusion there was this thingy where they had this thing called Lacewing or something, where you could actually make multiplayer games, but I don't know, I think they needed some sort of server. I think that server is still alive, I'm not sure. But this actually connects to other computers. Okay, so you don't have to worry about a server or something, you are the server. Okay, so that's one thing to talk about. So let me just run this demo here quickly, and I should probably turn this down because it's probably going to be super loud. Okay, so here is our demo. Let me just hit enter here. Okay, you can. Okay, the music is there. Pretty neat game engine. I gotta say, it's probably one of the best engines I have found so far, and I'm kinda surprised I have not looked into this, because I thought this was some sort of like, I don't know, JavaScript game engine or something, but it's not. It's actually a visual scripting game engine, and it's actually super easy to use. So when I first saw it, I was like, oh my god, where have you been all my life? So let me show you a few things that stand out for this game engine. Okay, like if you are not familiar with this is going to blow your freaking mind. Okay, for example, for music. Okay, so and I know in GDevelop you have to kind of load it and stuff like that. Here in this game engine, you simply place it where the music is located, and you click here. You can just go change music, just like that. This is our library of music, which you can, I don't know, add more music to it. Okay, for now we're going to kill the music and we're going to run this without music. Okay, now one of the things you can't do over there is that turn down the music when you first start like that. So what you have to do is you actually have to create some sort of script to turn down the music, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Here is our character. If you press shift, he jumps, and he kind of runs around. Oh my god, I died again. Are you freaking kidding me? Alright, so that's that. So let me show you another way to get music. Say for example you want the music to start somewhere around here. Okay, let me bring out a zone. Okay, pretty much like Unreal Engine actually, if you ask me. You go like actor on collision with actor. Oops, Let me just go back there and double click on this here, or you could go edit script, same thing. You click anywhere here. This is kind of like at the start of the level, or when a collision happens. We want to go to music and we want to play music, so double click on that, and we're going to select a song. Okay, something that doesn't sound too stupid. So what I can do now is I can turn down the music, say around 2, because I don't want it to be, I don't know, like too loud. Here you can loop the music forever. You can I don't know, have delays and all kinds of cool stuff. So let me go OK here and go OK. So now when I hit this colliding box or whatever, the music will start. So let me just place it here and let's play this. I'm just doing like a really like mundane example so you can kind of figure out how easy it is to like do stuff in this game engine. Oh wait, the sound is turned down so much. Let me turn it back up a little bit. To the mixer here and find this. There you go. So we press enter. And now the music begins. This is kind of cool because you could use something like that when you step into like a boss zone or something. You can start the music. Oh my gosh. Now this is a pretty cool template. All you have to do is rearrange all this stuff, change the sprites, and you have yourself a platformer game. Let me just restart this. I'm gonna go to castle entrance here because that music is really bad. So let me just right click and go to environment here, and let's turn off the default music. This is pretty cool. You can even add fog on this. So when we go to the other level, we will probably want to do the same thing. I don't even think you need music all the time. I think it kind of takes away from the game. You want some quiet areas or something, you know. But we're going to do the same thing here. Okay. You can actually do it at the start of the at the level. Okay, so you can double click here and change the music. Let me just go to like change music here. Double click play music. Oops. Alright, let me try that cheesiness there. And exit this. Save it successfully. And let's run this. Okay, the music starts right away. And now it changes. Go to level 2. And you notice that our music survives from one level to the other. So you don't even need to worry about that. Now let me do this some other way. I'm just doing it a bunch of different ways so you guys figure out how this works. So let me just delete this one here. Save it. Okay, so we can do it when we step on something here. Place another trigger, and it will be a collision. And let me set the music. Okay, let's play something cheesy, like. Okay, and we're gonna turn it down because that's incredibly annoying. There you go. So save it. It's like church music or something. And I'm going to make that a lot bigger than what it appears now. So that way the player cannot possibly escape playing the music. So what it will do is it will stop the other one and it will start the new music. Let's roll this here. Okay. Oops. I'm not going to load game. We're going to there's our music. We need to get across there and start the music on the other side. Okay, so when we touch that, the new music will begin. There you go. I kind of like the footsteps being louder than the music. Like that's kind of like better. Alright, so that's that. So let me go back to to level 1 here, and we're gonna go to resources, and we're gonna go to sprites. Okay, just let me show you how the sprite system works, which is a lot better than Game Maker Studio. And Click Fusion, we're not even gonna include them in the that category because this thing is beyond. This thing is at a different level. Objects, let me see, bodies. Okay, which should really be called characters, but it's called bodies. Okay. So we have alien, bat, bear, bird, dragon, fish, whatever, right? So let me go to resources again. I'm gonna go to player members, and here we're gonna go to edit actor, and I'm just gonna change this little guy here for something else. Okay, notice that you can take out the mustache if you don't want to. Like I can turn that off. He has no mustache now. I don't know why he will have a mustache, but I guess you can give him a beard or something if it's that kind of character. You can select a different kind of shorts. Okay. This is hair. Okay, let me just try pants. You can have different kind of pants, short pants. You can have a skirt. Okay. Boys can wear skirts too. And he can have a different kind of shirt, maybe like an armor shirt or something. Oh, this is actually armor. Take out the armor. Now he has no shirt. Okay, let's give him a shirt. Long sleeve shirt. And long hair, I guess. Turning him into a girl, which is okay, good. But what we want to do really is change the character. Let me just change the character altogether. I'm going to change him to a robot. Okay, now he's going to be a robot. You can change the default colors to whatever you want. I want an orange robot. Okay, maybe green. Okay, you're thinking like, oh my god, this like beats Game Maker Studio by a lot. Yeah, try doing this in Game Maker Studio and it's probably going to be, I don't know, complicated. Because I know in Game Maker Studio you only bring in the sprites and good luck changing stuff like this. Let me just try this now. I'm just gonna go okay and watch what happens. Just like that. I mean, we just change a few things here and there, a couple of clicks, and we have a freaking robot game. Look at that, just like that. Now it doesn't have a climbing animation yet, but I mean you could add it. It's no big deal. Okay, now just like that you have a complete new different character. Now it doesn't have any hair or stuff like that because you didn't add it under the sprites, but if you do, then you can have a character that has different items. Okay, that kind of reminds me of Ghosts and Goblins. Okay, like, you know, when he loses the armor kind of thing. I guess you could do something like that. When you collide with something, you could take away one layer of the character's sprites. Okay, just, you know, that's just an idea, just throwing it out there. Okay, let me go back to resources here again and just kind of like where's my sprites. For example, if you wanted to make another character, I'm just going to simply copy this and paste it, and now you have a completely different character. I'm gonna call this character Super Player X. Okay, and it's a body. Okay, it's not a face, hair, or anything like that. Here you can have different animations. And just to be silly, I'm kind of just gonna like edit these sprites here. This is the running animation. Just delete all this stuff. And he's gonna be like, I don't know. He's gonna be, what can he be like? I mean, something simple. Let me just add something simple, like some sort of, I don't know, octopus or something. Okay, and let me get some sort of gray color here. Okay, that's gonna be the eye, and we can have a third color, some like a lighter color. Let's see, it's gonna be the eye there. Okay, so it's something simple. Okay, so let me just so let's save this. There is our frame. Is like this. He should be taller. So let me make the other one shorter. This one here. We're gonna make it shorter by simply selecting this. Selecting half and bring it down a little bit. Use the fill tool. Save it. So there is our animation there. He walks. Alright, so we have default colors there. We can change if you wanted to. So let me save that one there, and I'm gonna go to resources. Let me just change the main player to our animation guy there. Robot is gonna be what did we call our character? Our character was called Super Player X. Okay. And we have one color we can change. Let me make him kind of pink. Okay. Save this. And let's go. We could change in there. That's interesting. I go back to sprites there. Okay, what's our player X here? Our idle animation should be just him here. Clear that there. Now for falling, let me just copy this. For jumping, it's gonna be the same thing. Paste it. Clear that one. And clear this one. Okay. Falling, same thing. Actually, I'm just gonna like copy this and paste it over here. Climbing, you know, I can probably make something for climbing. Okay, like I'm just gonna paste it anyways. Paste it. And I'm going to edit it. Okay, let's see what we can make for climbing. I guess he could just kind of like turn around and climb. Okay, we won't see the eye because it's from behind. Edit the image and I don't know, something funny like I guess like this. Okay, and like delete the rest or something. Fill it again. Okay, so it should be pretty much the same thing. Let me just loop that there. That's kind of funny. Alright. There is hanging and doing other kinds of things there. Okay, which is basically the same thing there, like climbing. So I'm just gonna copy these and paste it over here and just delete that one frame over there. Save it, and we're gonna see what this looks like. Now, of course, if you have good animation already, you can just import them and stuff. You don't have to do that. Escape the castle. That's my that's my character there. You could make a jumping animation. I mean, it's no big deal. It's some sort of like two-legged animal. Oh my god. And he died. Just like that. So you can see how easy it would be like to freaking make a game in this game engine. It literally will be a joke to like make a game and finish a game in about a week or something, especially with a template like this. Like even with just this stuff just like this, you could build a game. Oh, look at me, I'm a blob and I just rescued the princess. Okay. I'm sure you can make something better than this. You win. Alright guys, I don't want to like bore you in the first tutorial for this. This is not really a tutorial. It's more like just having fun with this game engine. There is so much stuff to look at that I think we're gonna have to make a bunch of videos. Okay guys, so don't forget to hit the like button down below and stuff, and subscribe if you're not subscribed to my Sparkman 2 channel. Thanks for watching guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye now.